Replacing your home's windows is an exciting upgrade that can enhance energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. If you're planning a window installation in West Columbia, understanding the process will help you prepare for a smooth and stress-free experience. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, here's what you can expect during your window installation. Initial consultation and window selection. Before the installation begins, you'll meet with a window replacement specialist to discuss your needs. This includes assessing your current windows to determine whether a full replacement or retrofit installation is required. Choosing the right window style, such as double-hung, casement, bay, or sliding windows, depending on your home's aesthetics and functionality needs. Selecting energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and double or triple pane glass to improve insulation. Discussing material options, such as vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or aluminum, based on durability and maintenance preferences. Receiving a project estimate, including the cost of materials, labor, and any potential additional charges. Once you finalize your choices, the window company will schedule your installation date. Pre-installation preparation. On the day of installation, your home should be prepared in advance to ensure a quick and efficient process. Remove window treatments such as blinds, curtains, and drapes. Move furniture and decor away from the windows to provide clear access. Ensure pets and children are in a safe area to avoid disruptions. Clear the exterior space around your windows, including bushes and outdoor furniture. By preparing your home, you'll help the installation team work efficiently and minimize disruptions. The window installation process. Once the installers arrive, they will follow a step-by-step process to remove old windows and install the new ones securely. The process typically includes: Step 1. Removing the old windows. The team will carefully remove the existing windows without damaging the surrounding walls. Any old caulking, insulation, or window trim will be taken out to prepare the area for the new installation. Debris and old materials will be properly disposed of or recycled. Step 2. Preparing the window opening. The installer will inspect the window frame for any signs of damage, such as rotting wood or structural issues. If necessary, repairs or reinforcements will be made to ensure a secure and level installation. The area will be cleaned and prepped, ensuring proper insulation and a tight seal. Step 3. Installing the new windows. The new window will be carefully placed into the opening and secured in place. The installer will use insulation materials to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. Sealing and weatherproofing will be applied to prevent moisture infiltration and drafts. The window will be checked to ensure it opens, closes, and locks properly. Step 4. Finishing touches. Exterior and interior trim will be installed or replaced to provide a seamless look. Caulking and sealing around the frame will be completed to enhance durability and prevent air leakage. The installers will clean the work area and remove any leftover debris. Post-installation inspection and cleanup. After the installation, the team will conduct a final walkthrough to ensure your windows are properly installed and functioning correctly. This includes testing the operation of each window to ensure smooth opening and closing, checking for gaps, drafts, or misalignment that could affect performance, verifying that locks and security features are in working order, cleaning the glass and frames for a spotless finish. Most professional installers will also provide guidance on maintenance and care, including how to clean your windows and what to do if you notice any issues. Warranty and follow-up. Quality window installers offer a warranty on both materials and workmanship. After installation, you should review the warranty coverage, including what's covered and for how long. Keep documentation for future reference. Schedule any necessary follow-ups if adjustments or repairs are needed. If you experience any issues, most companies offer customer support to address concerns and ensure satisfaction. Final thoughts. A worthwhile investment. A window installation in West Columbia is a smart investment that enhances home comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By understanding the installation process, you can be well prepared and confident in your decision to upgrade your windows. For the best results, choose a trusted and experienced window installation company in West Columbia. With professional installation, you'll enjoy long-lasting durability, improved insulation, and a beautiful home for years to come.